Emma Brooke is an American singer who impressed the audience in The Voice. She is best known for participating in season 22 of NBC's singing reality show The Voice. Nia Skyfer versus Emma Brooks of Team Legend sings She Is All I Want to Be by Tate McRae. Emma picked the song California Dreamin, explaining how she always dreamed of coming out to LA and trying for The Voice. Emma before John turned his chair for her. Soon Gwen and Camila followed suit. When Camila expressed how she loved the song choice, Emma explained that she was trying to steer more to the contemporary world after being trained in classical music. The judges then began praising her and pitching themselves to her as her potential coach by pointing out how they can help her. She released a debut single Feeling Good in January. It's an original she recorded at Brett Ainsley Studios. She is currently a student at Converse University. In her introduction pack, the teen revealed that she was introduced to classical music at the age of 6 and has been singing ever since. Emma is from Lemon, South Carolina. Her dad, Len, joked about how Emma broke the loudspeaker multiple times in church thanks to her high pitch. Emma's notable achievements include opening for country artist Hunter Hayes and being picked to sing by Lauren Daigle during her 2020 World Tour. In a lengthy Instagram post, the teen recounted her absolutely amazing experience meeting her idol Lauren and getting the singer's attention before finally being called on stage to perform with her. As of early 2021, Emma also became part of a 5-member band called the Blue Executive, playing blues, indie rock and alternative music. The talented lady is one such star who is definitely meant to rule the future music world.